Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop spam calls from unknown numbers forever. Have you also troubled by malicious calls, lottery scams and fraudulent calls from unknown numbers? These days a small mistake can empty your bank account. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop this. Okay, to stop this, tap on the phone app. Okay, now here you can see on top right corner three dots are shown. Tap on it, and here tap on settings, and guys you can see caller ID and spam protection. Tap on it. So here you can see use here to identify spam and scam calls as well as other callers who aren't in your contacts. So just tap over there to enable it. As you can see, caller ID and spam protection. You use these services subject to highest terms of services and privacy policy. Tap on agree, and after it simply over there you can see block spam and scam calls. Tap over there. So here you can see block all spam and scam calls and only block high risk scam calls. I would suggest you select block all spam and scam calls. So guys, this is the method to stop scam calls from unknown numbers forever. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.